Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hopo near Fire Brigade Shnong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ka office tray kam jong ka North Eastern Council Shnong haka arpu artari ubnai jilleu arajar arpu way kala no Jingïarap hado lailak tingka sha ka Dorbar Shnong Nongrim Hills kum shibenta ban pentelun ya ka jing tray kam jong ka Corona Care Center balabu hapo ka Shnong Nongrim Hills. Yakani ka pisa baka North Eastern Council kala bay Jingïarap ling baka welfare fund bad naga employees fund la IT ha uba banteli nari ubadai urangba Shnong jong ka Nongrim Hills da secretary jong ka North Eastern Council uram muiva harengkat ka jingidon lang jong ki nong tray jong ka neka office lembat ki nongkit kam Shnong jong ka Dorbar Shnong Nongrim Hills. Hagabaya day bat kani nakaliang jong ka Dorbar Shnong Nongrim Hills kalapan pau ya kajing sngongo shikat day ya ka North Eastern Council kabala bay Jingïarap da ka song pisa kanang baka Shnong kandup la ban pentelun syakman ha kabaya day bat ka jing sumar ya ki breo ki basa ha ka Corona Care Center balabo da ka Dorbar Shnong.
On behalf of the Dorbar Shnong Nongrim Hills, I would sincerely thank the NEC at the very outset for extending us new finance every time when we seek and we sought for any assistance from this office. At the very outset, I would like to highlight some of the points or some of the development of the Corona Care Center, which is the Dorbar initiative to bring. When we saw in the past few months the rise in cases in the locality, yes, we had quite a number of cases, which at one point of time we have reached to a level of nearly 70 cases, and this had really put our eyebrows up to take this issue or this pandemic to another extent. And after due deliberation, we have passed a resolution from the Dorbar, where the Dorbar we have decided to have our own Corona Care Center within the locality, so that we can extend our hand mostly to the weaker section of the society. So right now we are about to start, but since the cases are coming down in the locality, where now we are having nearly to a single digit, where we have 11 cases at present. But today we are having a random test. That's why I will tender again an apology that we came late, because they are having a random test in one part of the locality, one part of the section, means complex, I should say, where 2-3 cases in the past 2-3 weeks has come up, and now we are doing this random test. And unfortunately, with the strike of these ASHA workers, so the doctors and the health department, they are taking back foot. They are quite unaware of all these. That's why we have to arrange for that, and I tell you once again that apology. So these are the things which we want to work out. And if this family again turns out to have some positive case from here, then we will surely start this Corona Care Center within this week, or else we are waiting for the third wave as well. But at the same time, just on Saturday, after knowing about the funds to be given by the NEC, we have decided even to open a quarantine center, and that is in the phase where we are already in progress for arrangement, and we hope that this quarantine center also will help in containing the spread of this COVID-19 within the locality as well within the state. So I would once again thank the NEC, who has always been with us in many times. We surely remember from your secretariat, every time we organize any program such as Independence Day celebration, Dorbar Shnong Nongrim is the only Dorbar in entire of Meghalaya where we usually celebrate the Independence Day, and this program is always funded by us.
And this is the strength of our communities, and I'm very happy that even at this crucial time, it has come up again and met the challenges of the need. Let me tell you, whether it's in Manipur or here or in other states, it gives a lot of reassurance and comfort and courage and boldness to all the society members that even if thing goes wrong, my society is there to back me. That sense is very, very comforting, and that gives a lot of courage and faith. That's something I see back home also. I mean, a member of a colony or village didn't know that, God forbid, something difficult, real difficulty comes, then my society members, my near and dear ones will come to my rescue. And I think that's the exact manifestation of in this situation also. And we are always happy to be associated with all of you, with the elders of this Dorbar. And we have been associating, as you just mentioned. And of course, today I think it's not much. It will not match up to all your hard works, your effort, your concern. But it's just that token of our own commitment, and a token of our also love and affections and appreciation of all of you. I know that if you start counting all your other labors, it will come very, very high. and many times, you will feel that sometimes many times you will feel thankless, and the social service sometimes can be even appear to be thankless, but it's not really like that. I mean, this is how the human society, human beings move forward. We all alone ourselves, we cannot manage, but if we are together, definitely, that's how the human lives, the human society is enriched. And I am happy that you all have taken this situation very seriously, the way it is. We're not very sure, it's very unfortunate. I mean, as you mentioned, at one time there are 60, 70 positive cases, means it is a good number, very good number. And there will be cases where it is not even diagnosed, tested, we don't know.